and use gold light from your hands. So your hand chakras, the palm of each hand, and your fingertip chakras in each fingertip, you set them to a metallic gold color like this glitter, so that that's the color they're generating as they spin. You can unblock your hand chakras and fingertip chakras just a little bit extra. So we're doing more of this. We did it 2 days ago as well, and it was awesome. So I'm pumped to do some more. And we can do another quick batch of angel-assisted conflict resolution flowers for all your backlash people, just as like a final peace offering before we rock it out doing this work. So angel-assisted message flowers means your angels edit them and deliver them only if helpful. Okay, so make a whole bunch of energy healing flowers for your backlash people, but be nice, make them nice, out of universal healing energy. So they're gold and or rainbow colors. And then just make them message flowers in that you put a message in them or several messages, and your angels will clean it out so it's your energy won't be in them, just the message. So I'm sorry that you have a lot of challenges in your life. You have angels that can help and guide you. Karma is real. So if you harm anybody on purpose, there's, it's very costly to you personally. So you could have those messages in there if you want, and then, or any other messages, and then say, angels, can you please edit and check these flowers for my backlash people? And then say to your angels, angels, can you please deliver those message flowers, conflict resolution flowers to my backlash people only if it's going to help. And that way, if some of your backlash people, maybe it would be worse if they got message flowers from you. So your angels won't deliver those. They'll just destroy them. So good job. So that was just a quick repeat of what we already did, angel-assisted conflict resolution flowers. So now we'll just get to work doing this. So you have your gold sun for your 8th chakra, which is above the top of your aura. And then you have the gold, or here it's orange, but imagine it's gold. Your gold flowy tube, which is your 7th to 8th connection between... It's like a tube of energy. It's not like a hard object, but your gold flowy tube between your 8th chakra and your astral body 7th chakra, right? And at some point you could have some damage, some hard objects stuck in there, and that could be introducing some junk, because invasive beings and people can cord the area where the hard objects are. So this time we'll do it a little more boldly and sort of all at once. So we're going to first get rid of all the invasive beings that are sort of hovering around, messing with your 7th to 8th connection, especially where the hard objects are and the damage is. So angels, can you recycle any invasive beings anywhere near the 7th to 8th chakra connection? Can you recycle any beings even thinking about messing with my 7th to 8th chakra connection? And just take some deep breaths while your angels do that for you. All right. And then you can pop out any, you can just set your intention. So you're going to pop out as many hard objects from your 7th to 8th connection as is healthy and gentle to do at one time. Okay. So just pop them all out, or drag them out and just blow them all up. And it's kind of fun to do, and it's kind of a badass thing to do. And it kind of is a good sign to people that try to mess with you, if they happen to be watching, that, wow, how easy does she do that? I guess I'm wasting my time screwing with her. So make sure to just enjoy yourself. And be like, oh, how easy is this? All right. So move out any hard objects stuck in your 7th to 8th connection again. Maybe there's still some more. Any that are healthy and gentle to get rid of right now, move them out and just blow them up and be like, oh, that was so easy. Right? And again, you know, angels, if there are any invasive beings anywhere in this connection messing with this my 7th-8th connection, can you recycle them? And then melt cords from people going into the 7th-8th connection. So no cords at all. This is the most invasive place that someone could possibly cord you. So do not tolerate it from anybody. Just melt all those cords and use the gold light to repair. So there are no holes, no leaking, no places people can cord. Just a gold flowy continuous tube, you know, not a hard tube, but just, you know, an energy connection. Lots of gold light. If you notice any leaking, just focus extra gold light there. Maybe there's a hard object you missed. You could pop those out. Keep using gold light. If there's still leaking, you know, again, say angels, can you recycle any invasive beings in the way of this repair? Deep breath. All right. You're a rock star. Good job. So that's more of like an all-at-once approach to the repair as opposed to like, okay, here's one hard object. Let's repair it. That is interesting and geeky to do. I like that. But this is like wham bam. I don't have time for this drama. You know, let me just get it done. Okay, and now you may have some spiritual agreements in the way of, say, like, you know, maybe the gold flowy connection comes down, but then right before your astral body 8th chakra, it's like there's this force field or something, or like a saucer of energy preventing that wisdom and healing energy to actually soak into your 7th chakra, your astral 7th chakra. So if you notice any of that, any hard time for that gold light to be fully absorbed into your astral 8th chakra, astral 7th chakra, I'm sorry, in the top of your astral head, then just, then you know you have some agreements to melt and get rid of. And either way, it's good to just wing it and do it. So you just imagine these unhealthy agreements that are blocking you from receiving your own eternal wisdom and healing energy. You can imagine the agreements as like a stack of paper, or however else you like to imagine agreements, and just run gold light through them so that you're melting away any unhealthy agreements that are blocking you from, you know, having full access to your own wisdom. So go ahead, melt those agreements. You can say, angels, help me do this. You know, because maybe a couple agreements just need to be edited and not totally melted, but your angels will know the difference and help you out with that. Okay, so then one more time, just check out that nice gold connection, flowy connection between your 8th chakra and your 7th chakra of your astral body, and just see, is it really being absorbed well? If not, unblocking can help. You know, there could be blocks within the connection, so just melt those away. They can look like sort of stacks of saucers, you know, like little plates inside of hard energy inside the connection. So just melt those away. You're unblocking your 7th to 8th connection. You want to see that gold light coming down and have it be pretty pure still when it goes down, like not mixed with a lot of junk, right? So you want it to, you know, if it's mixed with a lot of junk, then just keep unblocking and repairing so that it's all nice and gold as it all the way down to your astral 7th chakra. And then just see, is it really being fully absorbed by your astral 7th chakra? All right. And you can say, you know, angels, help me have really good flow here. All right. Good job. Woohoo.